Okay, so Zahir, let's start your HR for Gas Authority of India Limited. So very brief introduction from your side.
Yeah, good morning, sir. I'm B. Muhammad Zahir. I come from a place called Mangalore, which is a port city in South Karnataka. And about my schooling, I did my schooling from Mangalore itself. And after that, 11th, 12th as well in Mangalore itself. And for my engineering, I moved on to Manipal, which is another 100 kilometers from Mangalore. There I did my B.Tech in mechanical engineering and I passed out with the CGPA of 8.86. And coming to my family background, I'm the first of the 3 children and I have 2 younger sisters. My dad used to work abroad, now he's in India, and my mom is a homemaker. And since 2019, I've been associated with L&T as a full-time employee. So about my personal interests, sir, I'm interested in photography and also in numismatism, which is the study of notes and coins. So that's about me, sir.
Okay, so Zahir, you are working in L&T as of now.
Yes, sir.
How many years you are working there for now?
2 years, sir. Initially, I joined as a GET through my college place.
So what is your work profile? What is your role and responsibilities right now?
Right now, I'm with the production and planning control department, sir. So okay. Basically, production and planning, yes.
Production and planning. And for the last 2 years, you are in this department only?
Yeah, first year when I joined as a GT, I was rotated through multiple departments just to get the basics of how the industry and the business works. And maybe like 6 months into the joining, I was totally associated with PPC.
So you're in production planning and control department, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the kind of tools and techniques which you use in this department?
Tools and techniques, as in, sir, this is more of a non-technical department where should I go about my work profile or
yeah, I want you to tell me how do you give the job cards or kind of things you release? You must be doing that, right?
Job cards, I'm not getting you, sir.
Do you deal with quality control also?
No. Quality control comes in a different domain, so there's a separate department for that.
So what are your activities? Can you tell me that?
Activities like, in L&T, we are into the transmission line business unit, sir. So we manufacture high voltage to low voltage towers in a factory. So, and what happens is our business works based on a QR mechanism. That is a QR, that means quantity released from site. So TL business is basically split into manufacturing as well as the projects which operates in sites. So I'm associated with factories. So what happens in factories, the planning engineer from site will release something called a quantity based upon the survey done by the civil department in our L&T. So as based on the QR released, what the planning department does is we make something called a tentative production plan based upon the QR. The tentative production plan is nothing but we'll have multiple projects operating at the same time. So based on the priority set by our management, so what we'll do is we'll set a production plan as such so that we can prioritize what project we can operate upon in our factory in order to complete the project on time. So what my profile as far as it is concerned, it deals with giving all the stakeholders the tentative production plan, which is about for 3 months. That is for 90 days, we'll draft a production plan. After that, we'll go for steel procurement, sir. Our main source of steels comes from JSPL, which is our prime source. Also, as far as plates are concerned, it comes from SR or AM.
Zahir, what is your main product? What is the main product?
We supply full shape towers to the sites. Towers ranging from 765 kV high voltage towers to 66 kV towers. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, are you aware about the layouts?
Layouts of not getting you, sir.
Layouts. Like mass production, batch production.
Yes. Yeah.
Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. So what happens is depends on the client. Client will release the drawings to our engineering department. That is the drawing department. So based upon the client's requirement, we do proto as well as mass, sir. Initially, we do proto. When we are doing proto, we majorly check. We do assembly in our plant. Mainly, I'm in a place called Kanchipuram, which is about 60 kilometers from Chennai. my factory is like specifically dedicated for proto. So I've been working with proto for some time now. In proto, what we do is we check for notchings. Once the production is done in full shape, it will go for an assembly. There is a special team for that. They'll assemble the tower in a horizontal fashion, not in vertical. So in horizontal fashion, when they do the assembly, they'll check for notchings and other length and fitment and majorly. So once the corrections, whatever is there in proto, that is accommodated and like the changes are made in the drawings.
Now, Zahir, tell me why you want to shift over from this LNT to Gas Authority of India Limited?
Honestly saying, sir, it has been a great experience working with LNT. Like it gives you a lot of experience, and the responsibility the organization gives is a lot. It has been a great learning here. But as far as my interest is concerned, I wanted to be slightly more inclined towards the core, and also as far as the job is concerned, I wanted to strike a balance somewhere between work and leisure as well. So yeah, that's
okay. So what do you know about GAIL?
GAIL, I've been doing a research about that a bit. So whatever brief knowledge I have is they are like one of the leading, like I would say, they are the main company that deals with natural gas in our country. So they are associated with mostly transmission of natural gas and other lighter hydrocarbons.
You know,
also,
unlike other hydrocarbon-based companies, GAIL is also into telecom. Can you tell me the reason?
Yes. That is because of it has a edge over others, because already there's a infrastructure laid, that is the underground pipeline what is there for the gas to transmit. So they can use for GAIL, that is for the optical fiber network.
They have optical fiber. Can you tell me the physics principle behind optical fiber? On what principle it works?
Yes, sir. So whatever I can recall from my 12th physics, it works on total internal reflection, sir.
And why optical fiber is used?
Optical fiber, I feel the losses are minimum, and you can transmit over a longer distance.
Okay, Zahir, let me give you the feedback now. So, yes, Zahir, they are going to. When is your interview?
Sir, the dates are not yet out. I am more on an optimistic side. Yeah.
Okay, so you prepare yourself on LNT, right? You end up your introduction at LNT, and then they are going to ask you in detail about LNT.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing there? How it is relevant for Gas Authority of India Limited, and what roles? They will try to see what kind of employee you are.
Okay, sir.
The passion with which you explain what work you are doing, that will tell them what kind of employee you are, and that is what they want to know.
Yes, sir.
And then Gas Authority of India Limited, we have made a document. You please go through that document and their website also.
Sure. Okay.
Keep visiting the website of GAIL and keep writing the important points there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anything which is currently in news or something, they will ask question from there. So how Gas Authority of India Limited is different from other public sectors, oil sectors, that you should know.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So gas, when we talk about the gas, then where the gas is filling stations of gas filling kahan pe hota hai. So we do not have petrol pump, we do not have gas stations as of now. So GAIL is not into gas stations. So who are the customers of GAIL? Like, fertilizer companies are also customer of GAIL. So how it supplies and everything. So what are the different business domains? Learn everything about GAIL.
Sure, sir.
So as of now, everything about LNT, your job profile, everything about GAIL. Why shift from LNT to GAIL? These are the most important things. 3 questions for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Just work on that as of now.
Okay.
And then we'll go for more HR, right?
Okay. Sir, just one doubt. Like we can have mocks every day, or like how often do you have it for?
No, HR, I sit every day, but we have not kept any limit on HR, but I don't advise for it every day. It should be maximum twice in a week. Twice a week.
Okay.
On your side, it should be twice a week. Unless until interview date has come very close.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. Is there a necessary to work on the subjects as well? Like maybe what subjects?
Because the subject expert is sitting in the interview sometimes, so he will feel like asking you something.
Okay. So any particular subjects that I need to work on, sir, that might help?
Thermal subjects, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, power plant, these thermal kind of subjects at least you should prepare. And since you are in production planning and control, so production planning and control, industrial engineering part will be important. Production planning and control में से question पूछेगा detail में. You
Okay, sir.
need to revise that related to job
Okay.
experience.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.